Here is a 36-inch Heritage Spector ceiling fan that I got in Alabama when I was there visiting Troy with JR and Kelly Turner. And I can't remember who I specifically got this one from because I got a lot of fans. But it's a neat little spinner fan, and I've always liked the Heritage Spector, so I was happy that I got it. And it works great, and it's flush mounted right now. And it actually is a really close flush mount. It's on a surface mounted box. So, but when it's on a flat surface, the blades are actually only 4 inches from the ceiling at most. So it's pretty close. It works great. Got the light working good. It's high. And it actually puts out more air than I thought it would. Spins at a decent speed. Sorry that I don't have my tripod, but I don't know where it is, and I don't really feel like looking for it, so handheld for this and the rest of the videos I'm going to take today. Got a couple more Heritages, as well as a lot of other good stuff. Heritages, 30-inch Brisbane I got. Some 42-inch one that looks like an Encon Crusader. And a 6-bladed Empire Deluxe, 52-inch, the kind with the square brackets. I got a lot of other good stuff as well. But I really like this fan. Out of the Heritages I got, it's probably my favorite one. But you don't need to worry, I'm not going to install it here in the house. Got a lot of other good stuff here in the house. I'm not going to replace anything with a Heritage. But this is a decent little spinner. It moves pretty good air for 36 inches and being flush mounted. You know, it's not bad looking either. Looks pretty vintage. And it's got a good long spin down time. Which is good. Anyway, there's that, and I hope you enjoyed.